Oh my god, my kitchen looks somehow. This is electric cooking, so I'm getting a new one. This is the place of the fridge, where the fridge is always standing. I just finished cleaning it up. This is the electric cooker that is going away. They are taking it away. Yeah, I don't know what they do with it, so it doesn't matter because I'm tired of it. So I got a new one. Look at the fridge. This is the fridge. I needed a new fridge, so I got a new fridge. So we are taking this. The people who are bringing a new one are taking this one to the factory because that is what I asked, please, if they can have them. Otherwise, it would be difficult to take them to container park. So, and the freezer is down. The down is the freezer. I wish Africa was closed. It's not closed, but it's okay. So that's the electric cooking that is going away. That is the fridge that have freezer down. Okay, guys. The new fridge is here, the right one. The new fridge is coming. Goedemorgen. That's the new fridge. It's
Ja, gaan zakken.
Nee, want the undercount is better. Oh my. The new fridge is here. Yeah.
Wacht wel even de binnenkant.
Throw it.
Kom maar. Maar dat gaat. Hij past precies. Alles maar even op.
Ja, is dat.
En dan pak ik hem hier even uit. Hier, kun je eens mijn handen.
Sorry.
Nou, maar dat hem hier neer, pak ik hem uit.
Get up now. Remove the rug, JD. Remove the rug.
We will remove everything here because we have the area here.
Okay.
And then we do put it there for you.
Okay. So the new fridge is here. Guys, I'm not putting you. I'm not showing you.
Oh, that's okay. That's no problem.
It's alright. Oh my God. Unboxing. Do you need the scissors?
I think.
JD, go and bring scissors. The big one.
This one is for you, I think. That's
Technology. Oh, see our new fridge. See what happen. Samsung. Wait. Yeah. What is that?
No, it's to change the degree of the fridge and the...
That's the new fridge. Let me open it completely. This one is on the ground.
You cannot open it completely.
Please, something's on the ground.
You cannot open it completely. Look.
Okay, it's better. Let me remove that. We still have to remove paper, so.
I'm surprised that this one you cannot open completely.
But it's bad? It's not bad now.
Do it now?
Huh? No, we don't. I don't know. Please, I need to go.
Video.
Okay. But don't put your face. Finally. The reason I stay to this single fridge is because this my house is just built, made the space for the fridge already. So if you put a double fridge, I'm gonna put it in my living room, which I don't want to do. So I decided, instead of me to go on luxurious fridge or however, I got something single. This one doesn't open completely. They have to come.
No, I think it's like that. Maybe it's like that. Yeah?
Even the paper in the back, everything in the back is also paper. But we don't do it now. Yeah, when you remove that, everything in the back is paper. Oh. You don't know?
This one's.
Sorry. We'll do it later now. Leave it. We'll do it later. I love the fridge. There is plastic all here. We cannot do it now. Leave it. So that is the electric cooker. It's already standing on the right side. The old one is gone as well. I showed the old one in the beginning of the video. So it's perfect now. I'm beginning to love my kitchen more. Kitchen is the best place in my house. My best. I love to be here. Sorry. Bye guys, thanks for watching. Bye bye. Let me start fixing up. Bye.